Newton's atomic model. Okay, is our lesson. Okay. So about these particles. Okay. Particles. First is Democritus. No? Democritus. Okay. Democritus. He told that about 2400 years ago. Okay. He studied about the matter, particles and matter. Then came John Dalton. No? John Dalton around 1805. Okay. So Democritus, what did he tell? Democritus, okay, no, that's not less. What did he tell? You have to write with what did he tell? Okay. Then Dalton, what did he tell? You have to complete your note. Okay. So that is about the history. Okay. History. Then we can get the idea of things how it is made. Okay. So we call them matter, and matter we can divide it to elements. Okay. Elements. Matter consists of different type of elements. Okay. Elements consist of compounds. Okay. Compounds make matter. Okay. So here you have to go for particles. Okay. So this is the idea. Particles together make elements. Elements together make compounds. Compounds together make matter. Okay. Matter means things around us. Okay. So this is the idea we have to get from this lesson. Okay. Particles are the tiniest things. Okay. Particles or call them atoms. Okay. So atoms together make elements. Elements together make compounds. Compounds together the matter. Okay. So this is the idea in this lesson. So we have to write this note in your book. Okay. So anyway, I'm sending a screenshot. Okay. You have to find. Okay. Then we'll discuss about elements and compounds and what is the difference between them. Okay. So elements and compounds. So elements actually is made of same types of atoms. Okay. Example, same type of atoms. No? H2 means hydrogen. We have two hydrogen atoms. Nitrogen. Okay. Oxygen. Those things. Okay. Ozone. So those are same type of atom they have. So we call them elements. Okay. Elements. Then compounds. Compounds you have different type of made of different type of okay. Different types of atoms. Okay. Different type of atoms. Okay. Example you can write now. H2O means water. Okay. Then right, carbon dioxide was this. Okay. So we have different type of hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. Two hydrogens, one oxygen. There, sodium is there, chloride is there, chlorine is there. Okay. Carbon is there, two oxygen is there. Okay. So compounds may be different type of atoms. Okay. So this is the thing you have to remember. Okay. So we in this session we talked about matter and how it is made, and we can divide it to elements and compounds. No? Elements, same type of atoms. Compounds made with different type of atoms. Okay. So it is basically about elements and compounds. Okay. Then we will go and talk about atoms. Okay. Atoms. So that is the basic thing, the smallest thing in the matter. Okay, atoms. So all these are mainly atoms. Okay. So atoms, we have different type of properties. Okay. Atoms we have physical properties and chemical properties. Okay. Yeah. Physical and chemical properties. So physical properties means that things you can see and you can experience in those elements of atoms. Okay, like example, what color, melting and boiling point. No? Density. So those things. Okay, I will give you the note. Okay. So these things are physical properties of atoms. Okay. Chemical properties we will discuss in next lesson. Okay. So according to these different type of atoms, elements, John Dalton gave them names. Okay. Names and symbols similar to periodic table. So he was the one who gave the idea about periodic table first. Okay? But now we have a different type of periodic table, not that this one, but it's give an idea about symbols and give an idea about periodic table. Okay? Because otherwise it's hard not to remember all. So this is we told that we have different type of elements and atoms, so we have to identify them. Okay, so he gave them symbols and names. Okay, we'll see how it is made. Okay. So you can see in your book, okay, physical properties of different type of elements. Okay, magnesium, silver color, solid, Z650, like that, sulfur yellow solid, carbon black, copper brownie. Those things are you can read and understand. Okay. So symbols, like we talked about symbols. No? Symbols and names John Dalton gave them. Okay. So what is the basic idea of that? Okay. So he gave them similar names. Okay. So here you have Dalton symbols and names. Okay. Hydrogen, carbon, so those are still there. Iron, zinc, copper, lead, silver, gold. Okay. So those things. Sulfur, phosphorus, still there. Okay. But some names change. Okay. So and symbols also there, but we don't use that much symbol. No? we have different symbols now in our periodic table. Okay, and see your periodic table. You can use your periodic table. Okay, here we have new periodic table. Okay, so you can see the current names and the symbols. Okay, but here is the old one. Okay, the old one. So you have to copy it down. Copy it down and have to complete your note. Okay, I'll give you the note. So you have to copy it down. Okay. So that is about today's lesson. Okay, we talked about how the matter is made and what is the history of that. Okay, about Democritus and John Dalton and his model of atoms. Okay, atomic model. Okay, or the table here. Okay, so you have to place like this. Okay, try to take a print out and do like this table. Okay. Okay, that's all for today's lesson.